Namaste Dostin. Welcome to Informative Katta. Today we journey to our celestial neighbor, a world of rusty hues and enigmatic beauty, Mars, the fourth rock from our sun. For centuries, humans have gazed upon this red dot in our night sky, spinning tales of war gods and alien life. But what do we really know about this alien world? Prepare to have your mind blown wide open, because today, we're diving deep into 5 astonishing facts about Mars that will leave you craving more. Fasten your seatbelts, space explorers, because this is a journey you won't soon forget. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're curious about the cosmos. Our first stop on this Martian adventure takes us to a volcano so colossal it dwarfs anything our own planet can offer. Friends, meet Olympus Mons, the king of all volcanoes, not just on Mars but in our entire solar system. Imagine this, a mountain so gargantuan it stretches a mind-boggling 21.9 kilometers high. That's 3 times taller than the mighty Mount Everest. To put it into perspective, if you were standing at the base of Olympus Mons, its peak would be hidden from view, lost in the curvature of Mars itself. Now picture this, Olympus Mons isn't just some ancient relic of a bygone era. Scientists believe this behemoth might still be dormant, meaning it could potentially erupt again in the future. Just imagine the spectacle. A volcanic eruption on a scale never before witnessed by human eyes. The sheer size of Olympus Mons speaks volumes about the geological forces that have shaped Mars. Its formation is linked to the planet's lack of plate tectonics, which allowed volcanic plumes to build up in one location over billions of years. It's a stark reminder that the universe is full of wonders that defy our wildest imaginations. Here on Earth, we experience our fair share of dust storms, but nothing, and I mean nothing, compares to the planet-engulfing tempests that rage across Mars. Imagine a dust storm so immense, so powerful, it engulfs the entire planet, turning its familiar red hue into a hazy, swirling mass of ochre. These Martian dust storms are not to be trifled with. They can last for weeks, even months, blanketing the entire planet in a thick shroud of dust. The winds howl with such ferocity that they can lift dust high into the atmosphere, obscuring the sun and plunging the surface into an eerie twilight. One such storm, back in 2018, proved fatal for NASA's Opportunity rover. For months, the rover bravely weathered the storm, but the relentless dust blocked out the sun, cutting off its energy supply and ultimately silencing its mission. It's a poignant reminder of the harsh realities of exploring other worlds. But these dust storms aren't just destructive forces. They play a crucial role in shaping the Martian climate, redistributing heat, and influencing the planet's atmospheric circulation. Understanding these storms is key to unraveling the mysteries of Mars. Chapter 3: The Icy Secrets of Mars. Just like our own planet, Mars has polar ice caps that grow and shrink with the changing seasons. But unlike Earth's ice caps, which are made mostly of water ice, Mars's polar caps are a fascinating mix of water ice and frozen carbon dioxide, also known as dry ice. During the Martian winter, temperatures plummet, causing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to freeze and settle on the polar caps, making them grow larger and thicker. As spring arrives, the frozen carbon dioxide doesn't melt in the traditional sense. It sublimates, meaning it transitions directly from a solid to a gas. This sublimation process creates some of the most bizarre and beautiful features on Mars' spider-like patterns that stretch out across the polar landscape. These spiders are unlike anything found on Earth, and scientists are still studying them to understand the processes that create them. The presence of water ice at the Martian poles is incredibly exciting because it suggests that Mars may have once been a much warmer and wetter place than it is today. Could this ancient water have supported life? It's a question that continues to drive our exploration of the Red Planet. Chapter 4: Ghosts of a Watery Past. As we venture across the Martian surface, we stumble upon tantalizing clues that hint at a past far different from the arid world we see today. Billions of years ago, Mars may have been a surprisingly Earth-like planet, with flowing rivers, vast lakes, and perhaps even a giant ocean covering its northern hemisphere. The evidence is etched into the very fabric of Mars. NASA's rovers have sent back compelling images of ancient riverbeds, their sinuous paths, meandering across the landscape like faded scars. We've discovered minerals that form only in the presence of liquid water, whispering tales of a wetter epoch. One of the most exciting discoveries is the evidence of ancient lake beds. Imagine standing on the shores of a Martian lake, its waters sparkling under a younger sun. Could these lakes have harbored life? It's a question that scientists are eager to answer. The search for past life on Mars is one of the most compelling reasons we explore the red planet. If we can find evidence that life arose independently on two planets in our own solar system, it would have profound implications for the prevalence of life in the universe. Chapter 5. A Martian Day in the Life. Ever wondered what it would be like to live on Mars? Well, one aspect of Martian life wouldn't require much adjustment at all: the length of a day. A Martian day, known as a sol, is only about 40 minutes longer than an Earth day. This similarity in day length makes Mars a very attractive destination for future human exploration and even colonization. Our bodies wouldn't have to go through the drastic adjustments they would on planets with much shorter or longer days. Imagine waking up to a Martian sunrise, the reddish sky gradually brightening as you start your day. You could work, play, and sleep on a schedule remarkably similar to your earthly routine. Of course, there would be plenty of other challenges to contend with, like the thin atmosphere, the lack of liquid water on the surface, and the need for protection from harmful radiation. But hey, who said interplanetary living would be easy? The fact that Mars has a day-night cycle so similar to Earth's makes it feel that much more familiar, that much more within reach. Perhaps one day, not too far in the future, we'll be setting our alarms for a Martian sunrise. As we conclude our Martian expedition, it's clear that the red planet holds countless secrets, whispering tales of a dynamic past and hinting at a future ripe with possibility. From its towering volcanoes to its planet-sized dust storms, Mars continues to captivate our imaginations. So, tell me, fellow space enthusiasts, which of these Martian marvels amazed you the most? Was it the colossal Olympus Mons, the planet-engulfing dust storms, or the tantalizing evidence of ancient water? Let's discuss in the comments below. And if your thirst for cosmic knowledge is still not quenched, be sure to subscribe to Informative Katta and join me on our ongoing journey through the cosmos. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.